this beautiful home is our Iono family home, and we came here to visit the family, Auntie One, Uncle Aleki, Uncle Ameko, and then we just had breakfast with them, and it was so nice. It's so nice to be back. Into the family home we go.
Come.
I'm gonna go upstairs.
Yes, you can.
Why is it buzzing?
It's hot warm.
Nice furniture. No, this isn't furniture. I remember this all too well. The kitchen.
Cool. Look at your picture. Still here.
Okay, look, that's my picture.
You know what? Let's get
My big picture right here.
picture with this frame.
Who's that? DC and
Okay, let's go to the front. I really want to go to the front.
What did you say?
You stay out.
Everyone, calm down.
Bro, this is the door. Sitawa, don't run.
Wow. Ew.
So this beautiful home is our Iono family home, and we came here to visit the family, Auntie One, Uncle Aleki, Uncle Ameko, and then we just had breakfast with them, and it was so nice. It's so nice to be back. I love everything about this home, especially the people that live in it.
Oi, boleh paisah buka lagi. Ah.
Look at his nails.
I found it.
Someone's like, get away from the dog.
I want to pull out the drone. Okay, do you guys want to take a tour again? Okay, let's do the tour. Be careful.
I've never been here, Dad.
The grass has actually got kind of wet, so I'm going to explain to you guys the best is that looks like this is his garage, tooling garage, right here. Back in the days, this used to be the big outdoor kitchen where you do all your hummus and everything. But that's just an extra spot now where I think that's their dining area now.
It's so nice out here.
It's really nice.
It's beautiful. So green and lush. Pearl, come, let's walk.
Sitawa, look at your chickens.
There.
Poop everywhere.
Oh.
Poop. What?
Well, what does it look like?
Well, I'm assuming where the spots are. Where's the chickens?
They're right back there.
Oh, okay, let's go see the chickens. Where?
I just saw them all go back there.
Oh, Sitawa, look at the chickens over there. Why?
That's not part of our hike, okay? Okay. Okay, wait.
She gotta pee.
Okay, come on.
The bathroom.
Just go to Auntie One and ask her if you use the bathroom.
Excuse me.
Hey, come here, like, let's take a selfie.
Pearl, come, let's walk.
Sitawa, look at your chickens.
There.
Poop everywhere.
Oh.
Poop. What?
Well, what does it look like?
Well, I'm assuming where the spots are. Where's the chickens?
They're right back there. Oh, Satella, look at the chickens over there. Why?
That's all part of our hike, okay?
Smells like cow poop or something.
Dad's coming. So we had to wait for our rooms to be ready. Our room to be ready. And now it's ready. So here we go. Two king bedroom. Two kings. Oh, this is big and spacious.
So, this is the this is set up for today.
Be warm rain.
I know, it's gonna be real nice.
Alright, let's
We are going to go
Manu.
and watch the Manu Samoa game. And
No.
plot twist, cause it's pouring rain.
Look how warm it is.
You ready, family?
Just a towel.
Okay, Dad, lead the way.
Umbrella, babe. I do. Well, you don't want to bring it? You should bring it. You should bring it. Hey, right here. Come with mom and the umbrella. Here. Go give it to mommy. They tell what this is not time to get wet.
So, in order to avoid getting sick, you must stay as dry as possible with what you have, and we don't have anything. So this should be interesting. Caution wet floor, caution wet floor. Die. Ooh, mud. I love mud. And we're here. The game must go on.
It's like to go through
Hot dogs.
Welcome everybody once again.
I can't see this big bull in my way. Just make sure you can just all dance it when they get a try. Come on. Move the pole. 25 us and 17 Tonga.
And all the best for World Cup.
Ja, en man målar CV och fast ut 2 week och vi tar nog all med oss. Vi har fått kan till det att vi ska gå och vi ska gå och ha till vara inne och från monument på.
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
Balik tu le. Satu squad rumah. Jangan main.
That was such a fun, awesome game. We didn't really get that wet, which was really nice.
Mas chega e a